Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys 10 things that I will definitely miss about Japan. So the first one is the food. So ironically, I actually okay, you guys can hear the bird in the background. Anyway, so initially when I just came here, I did not enjoy the food here, but it just grew on me, especially miso ramen. So I'm gonna definitely miss miso ramen. I'm gonna miss yakisoba because I can actually make yakisoba, so the ingredients and all of that, I'm gonna definitely miss it. So the thing is, even if I find a Japanese restaurant overseas, it will not come close to the original authentic taste. So I'm definitely gonna miss the food here. The next thing that I will miss about Japan is the transportation system. So when I say transportation system, I mean transportation system in the city, because in the countryside, oh hell no. But in the city, you know that the trains are very reliable unless there is an accident or something like that. But usually if the train is supposed to come at 9:59, it's gonna be there at 9:59. So I like how reliable the train system is. The bus system, it's almost always reliable, but not as much as the train system. But even so, like, I can easily get from one place to the next in the city. And also, like, when I'm on the train, I can easily just watch a movie, relax, or just do something, you know, like just relax my mind. The next thing that I'm gonna miss about Japan is a convenience store. So almost every street that you go on in Japan, you're gonna find a convenience store, whether it be 7-Eleven, Lawson, or what other one, Family Mart. So there are so many different types of convenience store, and these convenience stores, they usually sell like anything from disposable panties to water to memory card, SD card. Because I was looking for an SD card when I just got the camera, and I actually found an SD card in the convenience store. So you can buy earphones in the convenience store, like everything you can find in the convenience store, almost everything. So I'm gonna definitely miss that, like how convenient it is to just walk down the street and have access to so many things. So convenience store for the win. The next thing I'm gonna miss, so vending machines. Japan has the most vending machines in the entire world. Like literally, I'm in this park here in Kumamoto, and I can tell you that maybe there are at least 3 vending machines that I've spotted so far. So I'm gonna, because I've been walking, it has been hot, but I'm actually relaxing now, so I'm feeling like the wind, so it's not that hot anymore now that I'm relaxing. But before it was so hot, and I wanted to stop and get like some juice, because with the vending machines there are different types. So like in the park now, you probably would get a vending machine that has water and juices, and then sometimes you're gonna have vending machines that have ice cream, another vending machine that might have some snacks. So it's like the possibilities are endless. I also saw a vending machine that sold diapers in our train station. So I'm like, with Japan anything is possible. But I really love that vending machines are everywhere. They're even more than convenience stores. So you're gonna, when you walk in and you feel tired, you want some juice or some water, some liquid in your system, you're gonna be able to find a vending machine. So I really love that. Hot spring. So initially I wasn't like a hot spring type of person, but for some reason I have started to love going to onsens, which are hot springs. They have natural hot springs, they have man-made hot springs, and when I go there my skin feels fantastic. So I like how it makes my skin feels, I like how it makes my body feel. And I actually tried researching to see, okay, when I go overseas, will I be able to like have access to these things? And I could not find any that was in a like close proximity to where I will be. So I'm like a little disappointed, you know, because in Japan they're everywhere. So even if there's no natural hot spring, you're gonna probably find like some hot springs that are man-made. So that's a good thing. And usually like people who say they love hot springs and they go to hot springs, you can actually see the difference in your skin. So hot spring really help your skin to glow and to look really nice. I've been to 2 hot springs in like less than a week, and I know I'm on like a different using a different skincare product, but I can just say that my skin feels smooth and feels really nice. Another thing that I like about Japan is the fact that in Japan, like in major cities, you're gonna find a huge mall, and the mall usually has like food court, shopping center, department store, furniture store, like so many things. When you go in, you don't even have to go anywhere else for the most part. Like especially like in the upscale areas, they have like high-end mall, so you can just go there and then you just window shop, or you go in not expecting to spend any money and end up with like 5-6 bags. Another thing that I'm gonna miss about Japan is the dollar store, like Daiso and what other one, Cereal. So there are so many, but Daiso is my definite favorite, definitely my favorite one. In the dollar store they have very good quality stuff. Oh, there's an airplane passing. Yeah, so you can get many things in the dollar store. Like when you just come to Japan, that's where you're gonna go to shop for your household items, your kitchen stuff. You can buy dishwashing liquid there. So there are so many things that you can buy in the dollar store, and usually they are very good quality. I've heard that the dollar store here is so much better than the dollar stores overseas, like for example in the US. I did not say that, somebody told me that, somebody that's from America. So yeah, the dollar store, don't sleep on the dollar stores in Japan, definitely not. The next thing that I will really miss about Japan is the safety. So can you imagine that I can literally, like, no, I'm in the park, I'm not worried about like I have my bag next to me, I'm not worried about, okay, if I'll take a walk and come back, my bag is gonna be there. Like, it's so safe, so I enjoy that it's safe. I can walk at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock at night, and I don't have to worry about being robbed, being shot, stuff like that. Now that I'm on my solo trip, I'm traveling to Kyushu. I have been traveling by myself for a week, and I am like, there was never a situation where I felt unsafe or anything like that, because that's just Japan for you. Like, the people here, they just mind the business, go about the business, and don't care about F about you. So that is good. And also that so like, if you lose your wallet here, there's a good chance that you're gonna get back your wallet, and you're gonna, or your purse, and you're gonna get back it in, like, you're gonna get back everything that was in it, including money and everything. Another thing that I like about Japan is how orderly they are. So in terms of, like, for example, when you're at the train station, you have to make a line. There are some people that might cut in front of you, but for the most part, when you make a line, people come behind you. People usually respect the line, and so I like that about Japan. I like that things are done in a timely manner. I like that the people here are honest. So overall, Japan can be a good country to live in and to have like a very simple life. Like, my life here in Japan is so simple. Like, I don't have to worry about many things. Like, you know, I think like when I was in Jamaica, I was pressured to, like, for example, do my nails, pressured to always change my hairstyle. Like, no, my hairstyle be looking all raggedy and whatever, but I don't care, you know. I'm gonna change it soon, but I'm just saying, like, because I'm in Japan and because I'm a foreigner here, it's like things are more relaxed for me. I'm not pressured into doing things that I don't want to do. And I think even my dressing has changed. Like, I've been wearing some weird ass looking outfits, and I don't care, because I'm like, I blend right in and nobody cares. So that's another thing. I can live a simple basic life in Japan and nobody gives a F about me. The final thing that I will miss about Japan is the seasons. As you know, guys, I don't like winter, but at the same time, I like that Japan has 4 different seasons. So for example, you have, like, now it's approaching autumn, so it's still hot, but it's getting cooler by the day. So with autumn, you know, there's gonna be a change of environment, so the leaves are gonna turn golden. Then winter is gonna come, you're gonna see snow. Then spring is gonna come, you're gonna see cherry blossom. And then summer again. What do you see in summer? I don't even know. Summer, you're gonna have sunshine and typhoons. But what I'm getting at is that for each season there are special food, special promotion, special discount. So it's like for each season people look forward to it, because, like, for example, stores, they start having, like, for example, for spring you have cherry blossom themed things. So like a popular store would be like Starbucks. So like during spring especially, they're gonna have like a special spring drink, and then they're gonna probably have their packaging that represent spring, like sakura, which is cherry blossom. So that is like something exciting to look forward to. Like, depending on the season, they come up with different things, and it's like, you know, it's pretty cool that it's not like all year round, it's not so boring. So the environment changes based on the season that you're in. Yes, these people are leaving, thank God, because I felt so self-conscious recording with them right here. I know I need to stop caring what people think, but when they were passing by, they were like, oh, hello, and I was like, hello, and then they sat right beside me. I'm like, the fuck. But anyway, yeah, because I'm sure I literally came to the, I need to check what time it is. I literally came to this spot because it was far away from everybody else, because I wanted to be left alone. Of course, it's not my park, guys, I know that, but I'm just saying, like, or that everywhere that you could sit, where you come here and sit, you know. But yeah, I'm glad that I left. There's baby people, I'm literally serious when I said there are so many beautiful, like you can see the lake, you can see many different spots that you can sit. There are many places that you can sit down. So here is like the boringest part. I know that the scenery is not so good, but I just want it to be in a spot where not many people were at, and because I don't like to record and have people looking at me or listening to my conversation. Are these people? Yeah. Oh, and also festivals. So like for example, they have summer festival, they have winter festivals, so different festivals based on the season. So that is something that is exciting about Japan, even though I haven't been to a festival in like 2 years since Corona. I wanted to go to a festival like last summer, but I just didn't have the time to go to any, and I didn't know if any that was going on until after or while it was going on, so I just didn't get to go to any. But maybe if I can, I'm gonna go to one before I leave Japan. But I'm gonna definitely miss the seasons, the festivals, the different branding based on the seasons, and so on. These are my top 10 things that I will definitely miss about Japan. It's a little bittersweet, you know, because I've lived here for 4 years. I know I have to pack up and leave voluntarily, because I just feel like this is my time has expired here, and I just, not literally, because I like my visa, I have like a 3-year visa, which is the longest visa that I've ever gotten. And it's so ironic because every year I had to go back. Like I get 1-year visa, I have to go back and renew, and the year that I wanted to leave, they gave me a 3-year visa. I'm like, why though? So it's not like I had to leave, it's just that I want to leave. But at the same time, even though Japan is not the perfect country, it was a very good country for me to live and to grow and to just experience a different culture, different environment than what I was used to. Guys, I want to reach 20,000 by next year summer, and I feel like it can happen. Yeah, I think it can happen, because I gotta have faith in myself, and I'm gonna put out, especially when I leave Japan, I plan on putting out some non-Japan related content, because I feel like people are probably tired of Japan stuff. But if you guys want to see anything that you guys want to see, just let me know and I can do it, because now I kind of have the time. Definitely next month I'm gonna have the time, because next month I stop working and I'm gonna be traveling. But I'm gonna do it same like now I'm on my trip, like my solo trip, and I still got time to, you know, put out a video or two, like record a video or two. So I want you guys to let me know if there's any sit down videos, because I think the sit down videos do much better than the vlogs. Although the sit down videos are like easier to edit, so that's even better for me. But I like the vlogs because I can look back the next 2 years and be like, oh yeah, I remember when I went to Kyushu and I went to this part and I saw so many fish and everything, you know. So it's not just to put out content, but also for me to remember my time when I went to a certain place or different places. I also want you guys to look out for the video that I will be doing about 10 things that I will definitely not miss about Japan. So make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can get to watch that video. Anyways guys, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up this video, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And again, thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.